Hi guys, I'm giving the final touches here in the Finger Lakes, and I just wanted to show you something. Um, when I gave you guys the board that you can add textures there, and you can click on them and it'll come up with this question. You can select the texture you want if you're presenting, let's say. So I just want to show you now how you switch a texture in there and how you add them and delete them. And I've already uploaded these guys. So I'm going to show you here with the last one. So let's say you have the one I have, or you have one and you just copied and pasted onto your island, and then you select the prim and then you do edit, like you would anything else. And then it'll take you to the script, and then you go to your inventory and you just grab the one you want and you put it in there, and then you delete the old one so it doesn't show up anymore, and then you just close that. And at first it's not going to show anything because you still have to click on it, and it's still going to ask you if you want the soccer one, and you have to click on it, and then or whatever you named your texture that you want to go in there. Okay, so then that's how that works. So then the next time you click on it, it'll have the new one. It won't have the old one, obviously. So then those work now. Because you're just giving like the final touches to my presentation area here of my course and what the Finger Lakes has. Overall, it is supposed to be a campus like world where not only the building the interactive worlds class would be taking place, but I also plan to design and develop in digital illustration class, a intro to design course, and a digital imaging or a digital imaging, like an intro to digital imagery course with like Photoshop and Illustrator and stuff like that. Okay, so the other thing I've been playing with this week is a little bit more Blender. I did build a couple of things, but I couldn't get complex with it yet. So I decided to go fly here. Because the one things I want to design in Blender, I wanted to design a swing, and I haven't gotten the script down. I have found and pasted bits and pieces of scripts that I found on the internet, and I haven't been able to get the effect I wanted to. So far, the only thing I have here is this swinging script, but it doesn't really swing. I mean, it swings side to side, but I want it to swing like a regular kid swing, so it's like back and forth. So I haven't done that, but you have a swinging script, and if you guys are interested, I can give it to you when we meet next. So then they stop when you click on them, and then you click on them, then they'll start swinging again, which is useful. I mean, I don't know how you would use that in a game or an activity with students, but you might have an object that you want it to swing back and forth. So, this might be helpful. Then you can make it stop. And I tried it with other prims, and it'll just do the same motion. Okay, so let's see. That's all I have so far this week. For the rest of the summer, I plan to really focus on Blender and create a couple more things, more complex things with Blender. Found a couple good tutorials, and it's been a great semester. I feel like it's been really short. It has, but it's been good. It's been really productive. So I'm glad I had this class with you, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.